These are super neat. I want one. Greenworks. I think I prefer the gas one over the electric. Super cool.